Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa Creates, and today I'm going to create a little jewelry tray, trinket tray, whatever you call it. I'm always taking off my kind of everyday jewelry when I shower, put on makeup, take off makeup. So I usually just leave it on the counter, which I don't think is the best because, you know, if a towel comes flying, and I don't want to lose it down the drain or anything. So I want to give my jewelry a little special home when I take it off. So a few months ago, I went to the Sunshine Coast with my mom and sister, and I found this beautiful shell. I think it's an oyster shell. If I'm mistaken, please let me know in the comments below. And it's so naturally gorgeous on its own. I just want to enhance it slightly. So this tutorial is just gonna bring out its natural beauty. As the shell once hosted a living thing in it, with warm soapy water, I just gave it a nice scrub so it's nice and clean. To ensure the inside of the shell was super clean, I took 100% acetone and just wiped it all down. So to enhance its natural beauty, I'm gonna use this pearly nail polish that I have. It's actually my favorite color, so I hope I don't need to use too much of it. It's the color Celebrate Good Times by OPI, and it's just perfect. I love it on my nails. I'm gonna love it on this shell. And I'm gonna use an old paintbrush, a soft bristle paintbrush that I don't care if it gets ruined from the nail polish. I just finished the first coat and it's a little too thin for my liking. So I think I'm gonna run and grab a white nail polish and then go over it with this one afterwards. I applied 2 coats of white polish. I quickly realized that this iridescent pearl shade was too thin for me to apply light layers, so I decided to go in with a thick kind of goop dollop of the polish and then swirl it around and just have an even coverage on the inside of that shell. Once the polish was spread evenly and had a solid coverage on the shell, I propped it up with my little shot glass of acetone, and I propped it up so that the kind of inner corner of that shell would collect any excess polish. I figured this would be kind of the most natural spot of collection for it to cool. And I just added a little bit more because it's just so beautiful, and look how good it looks. I think this is the easiest DIY I have ever done, yet it turned out so elegant and simple, and I just kind of love how understated it is. I really like the contrast between this like raw shell on the outside and then how the polish created this like beautiful sheen on the inside. It really brings out its natural beauty. That being said, I think it would be really fun to try this with different colors of polish and just mixing the colors together and then kind of swirling it all together and seeing how that would come out and dry. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!